Greetings to all the vegetarians of the world. Today we will learn a super yummy dish packed with nutritional benefits and which is very easy to make. Paneer tomato. The ingredients. For 2 people, take 100 gram of cottage cheese or a paneer, a medium tomato, green chili 1 or 2, ginger about 1 inch tall finger piece, half teaspoon coriander powder, cumin seed powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, a teaspoon of sugar, but if you have diabetes or high blood sugar, then you can skip it. Salt as per taste. Some dried whole spices like an inch tall cinnamon stick, 4 or 5 clove, 4 or 5 small cardamom. A cup of warm water, about 125 ml. A teaspoon of clarified butter or pure ghee. Start chopping the paneer block with a knife. Do it as the way you like it, rectangular or square cubes. Now start chopping tomato and other veggies like ginger and chili. You can add other veggies too, but sometimes less is more. After heating the pan, add a 2 tablespoons of cooking oil of your choice, but I would suggest you not to use olive oil here. Now it's time to add the whole spices into the hot oil. Turn the heat down and let them crackle a bit. Now it's time to add the chopped veggies. First the ginger, then chili and tomato. Do not over fry the veggies. Fry until the rawness is gone. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin B, E and potassium. Tomatoes are a great source of lycopene, which is an antioxidant and it protects our cells from damage. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add half teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of cumin seed powder. Fry a little bit. It is a good idea to switch to vegetarian food sometimes. Perhaps in Indian Ayurveda, vegetarian food is great for mind, body and even soul. For this type of food trivia and unique recipes, do subscribe our channel Food Chan. Now it's time to season. I had added half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar, but you can do it according to your taste. Now it's time to add the paneer pieces. Some would prefer shallow frying the paneer pieces before adding, but in this channel Food Chan, we focus on taste and health equally. So use paneer as it is. Paneer is loaded with protein, calcium, magnesium, iron and good cholesterol. Now it seems the base is ready. Now it is time to add that cup of water. Remember, use always warm water for better results, taste-wise. Now it's time to add 1/4 teaspoon of Shahi Garam Masala. In case you don't know about the spice, I have made a separate video on spices. I will give the link in the description. Please do check it. Just before turning off the heat, add a tablespoon of pure ghee or clarified butter. Oops! Looks like the ghee has become a little bit solid. At the end, adding ghee is very good for health according to Ayurveda. Now, our super veg dish is finally done. You can serve the dish with roti, chapati, flatbread, naan, even with tandoori roti. You can also serve it with steamed rice. So, wasn't that a great, easy, yummy, healthy recipe? To learn such easy, healthy recipe, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, Food Chan. Do share the video to those who needs it. And hey, don't forget to share your views, opinion and experience while making this dish in our comment section.